I'm Councillor Barry Mellor, the Cabinet Lead Member for Environment, Highways, Transport and also the Climate and Ecological Change in Denbighshire County Council. This morning we're here on this Llys estate. This nature reserve was planted by Denbighshire County Council with the help of Bryn Hyfryd pupils who came up here for the day and helped us plant over 1,700 trees. As you can see, we've got I think 3-4 pools with drakes on it, with little ducklings. Can't believe it, right in the middle of a housing estate in Rhyl, where we've got this nature. This site where we're at, on the Llys estate, has been left dormant for many years. And a big thank you to Councillor Brian Blakely, who brought together many people on the estate, residents and resident associations, who battled hard, you know, for many years to get this land, and here we are now with a fantastic nature reserve. We were very fortunate to get some money from a pot of 800,000 of a shared prosperity fund, which also has helped us to build another nature reserve in Hentlin. And that site in Hentlin, I was pleased to be up there when the pupils from Hentlin School planted about 1,700 trees there to make a fantastic nature reserve. Really something that will bring the village of Hentlin together for the people to go out, get out back into nature. We also have another nature reserve in Glanelwy in St Asaph, where the St Asaph football team got themselves involved in planting another 1,700 trees to give us a nice nature reserve in St Asaph. All these different areas are going to be so good for our biodiversity going forward, and I think Denbighshire County Council can be proud of the fact that they're bringing these areas forward for people, residents and everyone to enjoy.